Happy Monday. It's been a pretty Monday-y Monday around here. School is done for the day and we just worked out. Our workout was harder today because it was almost an hour long. It seemed even harder because we took 2 rest days over the weekend. So we went from 2 rest days to an almost hour-long workout. So that was kind of rough. But at least it's done and that's over with. Daniel's taking a shower right now and then he's gonna put a couple steaks on the grill. There's our mess back there. I gotta do dishes tonight. Ugh, I don't wanna. But anyway, he's gonna put a couple steaks on the grill and we're gonna have steak Caesar salad for dinner tonight. And then he's going over to his parents because the Steelers play their first game of the season tonight. I am not going with him because I am going to be going to bed before the game is over. So I'm just gonna hang out here with Juju at home and watch the game and then go to bed whenever I need to. So yeah, you are now up to speed. Not very eventful today.
Really weird right now. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera and it just looks really strange. It's like a perfect dot. Go get it. Not me. Go get it. Go get it. Get it. What? Go get it. Think fast.
Why do you steal my ball?
That's fun.
It's my ball. It came in my backpack.
I came in my backpack.
So we're going to be done at 2:30, but then you have art with Miss Yurdy that goes until 3 o'clock. So you'll be done for the day at 3 o'clock.
Shrimp fried rice. Shrimp fried rice. Shrimp fried rice. Shrimp fried rice. Yeah, shrimp fried rice. Woo! All right, it's been another just work all day kind of day, boring day. But now I'm hopping in the car real fast to go grab some groceries from Walmart and then come home and make some pizza. Oh, because you know, Friday you have to eat pizza. Obviously. And then we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night probably. Very uneventful day, which is good because I spent the entire day writing a paper and Steph spent the entire day teaching. She's a teacher, if you didn't know that.
Well, it is Friday. We've made it through another week. We got our groceries today and Walmart is not doing well with the whole DiGiorno pizza thing. So they didn't have it again. So we had to order Papa John's. Darn.
The ultimate sacrifice.
I guess we'll just choke it down. Anyway, it's been a pretty good week, I would say. Yesterday's not a great day for you.
Yesterday sucked.
Yesterday was a complete waste of a day because of your professor, but yeah, I'm glad it's the weekend though. I still have some work to do, but I'm trying to get most of it done so that I can actually have most of a weekend. What?
You put your hair in my face.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I wasted like 7 hours yesterday texting back and forth with my professor, and ow.
Oh, sure. Oh my god.
I hate this counter so much. This counter is so shallow, and I'm too tall for the cabinets.
Yeah.
Anytime I have to reach something on the counter that's like further than like halfway in, I always hit my head. Even after 3 years. Anyway, so I spent like 7 hours yesterday. Hey.
You stepped close.
How are you? I spent 7 hours yesterday texting my useless professor back and forth with one simple question that was basically a yes or no question, and I could not get a straight answer out of her. And that was like the key to doing the entire paper that I wrote today. So I could have finished it yesterday, except my daggum freaking professor. Anyway, that was yesterday. Today's better. Kind of. I spent the whole day writing a paper, as I said already.
Woo. So, we're just going to be watching Parks and Rec for the evening. We're on season 6.
Yeah.
I think we're getting close to almost being done with season 6, so one more season to go, which is shorter. So, hopefully we'll be done with it soon because it's leaving Netflix, October 1st?
Something like
yes.
that, I think. But
so we have to finish it. I mean, it's still on...
Oh, no!
I know. It's still on a different streaming service.
Yeah, it's on Hulu.
That we also have.
Because you have to have 18 streaming services in.
Yes. Hello. Anyway, so that's the plan for the evening. I'm gonna finish my work while the pizza's on its way. Have fun with your dance party. Oh, okay, guess it's over.
My goodness. Look at this sweepy guy.
Look at how cute.
He's sweeping on my Santa. Oh my gosh. He's like, what are you guys freaking out about?
Hi, sleepyhead. Oh my goodness.
You a silly boy. Oh, he's tired too. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I just no blink. Oh,
It's
buddy.
Friday night vibes. Sleeping with Santa. I love Santa so much. Such a tired boy. He started here, and he has not stood up one time, and he's all the way over there.
He has skated himself in a full circle, plus some, without getting up.
Plus halfway across the floor. And somehow behind the couch. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's like 6 in the morning, and obviously that means I'm going fishing. But it's so cold. Oh my gosh. I don't know what the temperature is right now. I think it's in the 40s, but holy crap. Yeah, we're trying to get in a little more fishing. We're gonna try this lake that neither of us have been to before, so it should be fun. Well, we were gonna go out on the boat Except this place doesn't have a trailer ramp. So, we're fishing from the shore. Always an adventure.
I woke up before 8 o'clock on a Saturday. Clearly something is wrong with me. I tried to go back to sleep, but I was not successful, and I ended up just deciding to get up out of bed at like 9:30. But of course now I just feel exhausted. It's like ugh. So stupid. Anyway, Daniel went fishing this morning with Vincent, so he got up super early. He's still out with him, so it's just me and Juju here at home. I just made some coffee. I made decaf because my body doesn't like the level of caffeine that's in regular coffee, but it's still warm and comforting. Also, it feels like fall for sure. I went outside in just short sleeves and I have leggings on to take Juju out, and I was cold. It seemed to come in really fast. Like just this week, it was just like, all right, fall's here. I can't believe that it officially starts on Tuesday. Juju's looking outside. How dare someone else be in their yard? So while Daniel's out, I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee, watch some YouTube videos, and I have some work to get done today, but I know Daniel does too. Like, he has some schoolwork to work on, so I might wait until he gets home so that we can just be working back in the office together. Oh. Ugh.
Yo! Look how huge this is! Holy crap! It's gotta be like, what, 16, 17 something?
Something like that, about 2 pounds.
Yeah, he's fat, hefty. Alright, be free, my friend.
Daddy. Where have you been? What have you been doing? It's waggy Daniel. Oh my. Oh.
No, Dad, don't put me down. Hi.
Oh.
Like, enough with the cuddling.
Uh-oh. Zoomies. Oh. Play.
Ouch. Hi. You like that popcorn, don't ya?
Daddy.
Hello.
Can I have some, please? The popcorn's crackling and I think he can hear it. No. I know.
Please. You're kidding me.
I know. I
I shakes. I bites. I grumps.
No, I just pout. Your tail is all messed up.
I'm a pouty puppy.
Are you a pouty puppy? You're really cute.
Last year was tough on offensive coaches. His job got a whole lot more difficult.
We're smaller.